Is the Bitcoin price going to this lower $30,000 area again? Or will the Bitcoin price hold this specific key support line and then make a savage rampage to this $50,000 price target? In today's video, we're gonna find out which scenario is most likely going to occur. Hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Bitcoin price in the short term and in the midterm. So as you can see right here, we have the same pattern as yesterday, as I said before, which is holding as support this around $30,000 support line and this massive resistance over here. So as we can see right here, the Bitcoin price is closer and closer to the trend line I was talking yesterday, around $36,800. Right now, it's about to complete the target as mentioned in yesterday's video. Right now, we can see that the Bitcoin price has clearly received a huge rejection over here. This trend line comes from the all-time high to this resistance over here, which is the $59,000 range, and then again here around the $42,000 range. Huge rejection. What I'm anticipating right here for the Bitcoin price is the Bitcoin price received this rejection, goes back to this trend line to confirm as support, and also to this trend line, huge trend line around the 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, as you can see over here, and then after some consolidation, create the momentum and then blast off to where? To this specific price target, as you can see over here, which is the $50,000 range here. But in order to meet this target, the Bitcoin price has to hold this key support line around $37,000 range and then consolidate for some time in order to create the momentum after having a massive rampage to the upside. And then after some consolidation, when a daily candle closes above this trend line, which is around $40,000 with support, with enough volume, then I will say that it is most likely that the Bitcoin price will go to this $50,000 range, which is a very good trade right now. So right now in these ranges, this is a very good time to buy Bitcoin around 36,800 range and the 37,200 range, because that is clearly two very strong support lines. And also, if I pull out the EMA ribbon, as you can see over here, also we have a lot of confluence with the EMA ribbon right here, which holds support between the $36,000 range and the 36,800 range, as you can see over here. Another confluence we can see over here is the CPR pivot points, as you can see over here. Also, there's confluence with the daily time frame, the daily EMA ribbon over here, which is around $35,800 area and this $37,700 area, as you can see over here. So a lot of confluence. And also, let me turn off the EMA ribbon just for a second, and then the pivot points. I'm gonna pull out the Williams alligator indicator right here. As you can see over here, the green line is above the red line and the red line is above the blue line. That's a very bullish trend reversal indicator, indicating that most likely also this red line is a very strong support. So it is around it has confluence with this trend line over here. As you can see, it is around $36,600 range. So there's a lot of confluence. As I said yesterday, most likely the Bitcoin price will go to this trend line, as mentioned yesterday, because there's a lot of confluence indicating that just by looking at the 1 day time frame, the Bitcoin price, as you can see over here. So I'm gonna turn off the Williams alligator indicator just for a sec. So right now we're gonna go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame. As you can see over here, as I mentioned before, when the Bitcoin price was following this pattern over here, it broke down, and also we have some kind of confirmation with the volume. The volume is not too high, but it is enough for the Bitcoin price to continue this short-term downtrend, as you can see over here. And the target will be around here. The target from this wedge is around $35,500. The Bitcoin price can wick very fast and then go back to the support line at this trend line. So most likely what I am anticipating that this price target is not most likely going to be met, but it can wick it down for a very short time frame and then go back to this trend line as support. As long as the Bitcoin price can hold this trend line as support and this Fibonacci retracement as support, then that's very bullish, and then it will help the Bitcoin price create some momentum to then stay in this range and then blast off, breaking this trend line over here. But that would take some time right now because just the Bitcoin price has been in a rampage since the $29,000 area with almost no breaks, as you can see over here. So right now this is a cool off, which is good because the Bitcoin price needs to cool off. It's just too much of a rampage and almost no breaks. So that's normal, but it's good because you have more time to buy Bitcoin in these areas, and then when the Bitcoin price consolidates enough time, then it will have enough momentum to continue to the upside around $50,000 range, which is the target out of the bigger pattern which I showed you in the daily time frame. So right now the Bitcoin price is following this falling wedge, as you can see over here. Okay. There you go. Okay, so as you can see, the Bitcoin price is following this falling wedge pattern. This is the only bullish short-term pattern I can see right now looking at the charts. As you can see over here, we have around here support, so much support over here, as you can see over here. Quick wicks, then the Bitcoin prices immediately pumps, and also right here. So right now, if a 4-hour candle closes above this trend line over here, because there's a resistance over here, then I would say that most likely there will be a high chance for the Bitcoin price to continue going to the upside, and the price target for this falling wedge is around this price range, which is the 42,600 area. So right now, and also not only a 4-hour candle close above this trend line, but also enough volume in order to confirm that the Bitcoin price is heading higher. If the Bitcoin price keeps getting rejected in this strong trend line, then most likely the Bitcoin price will go to this specific Fibonacci retracement and support line, as I mentioned before, which is most likely. As you can see, there's a lot of red volume, not candles, but bars over here. So most likely there's a lot of selling pressure, as you can see over here. Quick wick. So that's why you need to be patient when doing these trades. Make sure, right now there's a short-term bear trend, so make sure that if you're gonna trade this, most likely, in order for this selling pressure to reverse, most likely the Bitcoin price will have to close a 4-hour candle above the Bitcoin price has to close a 4-hour candle with the body of the candle above this resistance, and also have enough volume like this in order to confirm that the Bitcoin price is starting to reverse to the upside. So right now these are the targets I see in the 4-hour time frame. So going to the 1-hour time frame, as you can see here, over here, I already explained the 4-hour time frame that most looks almost exactly as the 4-hour time frame in regards of the pattern you see over here, which is support, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, boom. Right now, the Bitcoin price is holding a strong support over here. So, and right now, also, I want to mention over here that in the RSI, there's a bullish divergence right here. Wait a second, there. So, as long as the RSI can hold this trend line over here as support, then the Bitcoin price will slowly start going to the upside and forming more bullish divergences. And also here there is a clear bearish divergence here. Also, it's forming this pattern, so most likely this would be the target using the RSI if the RSI momentum can get above this trend line over here, as you can see over here. So if the momentum of the RSI also starts to break this trend line, that's another confirmation that the Bitcoin price will continue going lower, as you can see over here. So right now, the target is almost met right now in this, in regards to the daily time frame pattern I showed you earlier. And also, let me pull out the EMA ribbon over here. So the EMA ribbon right now in the 1-hour time frame, there's a bearish trend in the 1-hour time frame. Let me pull out the 4-hour time frame just a sec so I can show you the 4-hour time frame using the EMA ribbon also. So also in the 4-hour time frame, there was a 4-hour candle close below this EMA ribbon, which is a bearish short-term momentum establishing. So right now in the 4-hour, there's a bearish momentum in the Bitcoin price in the 4-hour time frame, and also the volume is also increasing in the negative. So right now, that's another confirmation which confirms that the Bitcoin price is most likely going to meet the target, like I said in yesterday's video. So right now, going to the 1-hour time frame here. Right here, also, I'm gonna pull out the Williams alligator indicator right here. So as you can see over here, let me get this drawing off. And so right now, as you can see over here, also you can see that the Williams alligator indicator is on the negative right here. The green line is below this red line, the red line is below this blue line. And also, as you can see over here, as I mentioned before, the Williams alligator indicator is a very strong support, and also the red line is a very strong resistance. So now, as you can see over here, boom, rejection, bam, rejection, boom. This red line got harshly rejected, boom, and then it's getting rejected in this green line. The Bitcoin price is getting rejected in this green line. So yeah, like I said, as long as this green line stays below this red line and this red line stays below this blue line, most likely the Bitcoin price will keep going lower. And if the Bitcoin price keeps getting rejected with the red line, that's a strong rejection, and that's an indication that the Bitcoin price is most likely going to go lower. Also, that you can't only use one indicator to determine in which direction the Bitcoin price is going to go. Like, you can do it, but in order to make the best decisions in technical analysis, you need to combine different indicators and have confluence in order to confirm that what the Bitcoin price is most likely going to do. And also the moving averages, a simple moving averages, 200 moving average, simple moving average, 50 simple moving average, 100 simple moving average, is 21 simple moving average. Bitcoin price is below this 1-hour time frame simple moving indicators. And also going to the 4-hour time frame again, just for a second. Also, as you can see over here, the moving averages over here. This is the 100 simple moving average in the 4-hour time frame. Right now, this has confluence with the price target over here, but right now, as I said, strong support line, this trend line, strong support in this Fibonacci retracement. As long as the Bitcoin price can hold this as support, there will be no continuation to the downside for the moment. So right now, that is a 4-hour time frame. So I'm going to go to the 10-minute time frame just for a second. So that is, so you can see also, it's almost the same as the pattern I showed you in the it's the same falling wedge pattern as I showed you in the 1-hour time frame, in the 4-hour time frame. As you can see over here, clear rejection, as you can see, and in the 10-minute time frame, as you can see right here, clear falling wedge pattern over here. And so, as you can see over here, rejection. Right now, it's trying to hold that support. And look at this. Look at that moment. Look at how high is that red candle over there. It's a lot of selling pressure, as you can see over here. So that's why I'm saying there's almost no volume in regards for the buying pressure with the green candle. So most likely it's going to this support line and trend line. Most likely, because there's almost no support. There's a lot of red candles over here. Only one green candle managed to appear over here. A kind of medium-sized candle, not enough in order for the buying pressure to subside the selling pressure. So right now, as I said, and in the 10-minute time frame, the EMA ribbon also, as you can see over here, below this EMA ribbon, which as you can see over here, that's a bearish 10-minute EMA momentum in the ribbon. And also, so you can see how powerful the red line is with the Williams alligator indicator here. Rejection, try to hold support by losses and more downside. Rejection, close to the red line, rejection, support, and then boom, it lost the support, and then got rejected again, bam, support again, rejection by the red line, and boom. So this red line has a lot of influence also in the Bitcoin price. So guys, that is to this video in regards to the Bitcoin technical analysis in the short term. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, a comment, and share with your friends and also with people that enjoy cryptocurrency. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for taking your time for watching this video. Really want to help you guys to stay ahead of the market and for most of the market using technical analysis and looking at the big picture also. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on my social medias in Twitter. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate it. If you would like to trade cryptocurrency with leverage, my preferred choice is Bybit. I have the links in the description below. And only trade with leverage if you know what you're doing. If you're an experienced trader and have enough time in this market and also understand the market in a big way, because trading with leverage is a very dangerous thing if you don't know what you're doing. The gains can be really good and the losses can be really bad also if you don't know what you're doing. Like, have a proper risk management strategy. So if you're an experienced trader and you know what you're doing, then I would really appreciate it if you can use my Bybit link in the description below. That's a affiliate link. You can click it if you want, or you can go directly to the Bybit site if you want to. It's okay. But also that will be a good way for supporting my channel. So thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day and take care, guys. Peace out.